The directions for use are rolling on 1 to 2 swipes on your temples, your forehead, back of your neck, or your reflex points on the Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's Past Tense Essential Oil Roll-On Blend. Past Tense is a distinctive blend of essential oils known to help provide grounding and balanced emotions. Known for their soothing effects on both your mind and body, the essential oils in Past Tense quickly promote feelings of relaxation and calm emotions. Past Tense comes in a convenient 10 milliliter roll-on, right here, for an easy application when at work, school, or home. Simply apply it to the back of your neck, shoulders, or behind your ears to help calm emotions while breathing in the cooling, distinctive aroma of Past Tense. The top 2 ways to use doTERRA's Past Tense roll-on blend is aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can roll it on. The main benefits of Past Tense are that it helps relieve head, neck, and shoulder tension after a long and stressful day. The directions for use are rolling on 1 to 2 swipes on your temples, your forehead, back of your neck, or your reflex points on the palms of your hands or the bottoms of your feet. You can also inhale directly from the bottle and relax in a quiet place. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.